Welcome back to episode 3 of our 5-part journey as we try out our first canal boat holiday. This week's episode we go through our first lock and we go past another aqueduct. This time the Chirk Aqueduct. And we continue with our adventure along the canal. At this point, we've got into a bit of a routine. Every morning we start the boat up and we get ourselves underway. And off we go, carrying on with our adventure Lachlan towards Ellesmere. By the third day it was now starting to become second nature. So easy to drive a canal boat, even a child could do it. I don't know what the problem is. Go along, enjoy the views, see the local wildlife. They don't seem too fussed to see us. Just another canal boat we're going by. Skillfully going past other boats. And then we stop, fill up for water. I can't remember how much water this boat holds, but we got into the habit of making sure we filled it up every day. The last thing we wanted to do was run out in mid-shower, or more importantly, when we make a cup of tea. So after filling up, we peer through the tunnel, make sure there's no one coming, and then on we go. That was a long tunnel, I wouldn't have wanted to walk through here. There were people walking through. Would have taken them a while. Now, I think that probably took us about 10 minutes to get through that tunnel. Get to the other side, and here we are at the Chirk Aqueduct. This is the border from Wales into England. And then next to us is the tray line. Yeah, once again, it's only room for one canal boat at a time, so it is a case of making sure there's no one coming in the opposite direction and then putting your foot down, so to speak, getting across while you can. Up to this point, I've never been through a lock. I've never used a lock in my life. Didn't actually really get trained on how to use a lock. But I guess the best way to learn is to just go ahead and do it. Now the good thing about the canal system and the locks is that everyone's very, very friendly and very helpful. There's quite a few people going up and down through the locks. So there are loads of people there that know what they're doing and people there that are willing to help. So we got some help from people that were already there, and they helped us with closing the lock and showing us what to do. At other times there are even volunteers that work on the locks and they will help you. So it's nothing to be worried about. So once we're in the lock and the doors was closed, the gates holding the water in were opened and the water level started to go down. So I was warned about making sure I wasn't too close to the front or the back. I think on the back there's a bit of a lip. And if you catch it, it can cause the boat to tip. So I was very conscious of this. I didn't really want the boat to come out upside down. Wouldn't have been a great idea. But we managed to stay upright. As the water levels equaled, we can then leave the lock. So this gentleman here, I think he was on the boat waiting to come into the lock, so he's very kindly helped us. So what do you do if you want to go on a canal boat holiday? There are plenty of different vendors. We chose one called Black Prince. Very friendly, very knowledgeable. And the boats they supply come with everything you need. Cups, plates, cutlery. Our canal was made up of a room with 2 single beds. It can be turned into one double bed, and that was at the back of the canal boat. Then our bed was in the centre, which was a double bed. And at the front we had the kitchen lounge area, and in the middle you've got the bathroom. So now the water levels had equalised on both sides. The lock was opened and out we went. Easy, I'm not sure what the problem was. We are now experts. So drive out. Obviously we've got pull over and pick up the rest of our crew, and then we can continue with our journey. So we continue on our way. It's not a race. Let's just enjoy the scenery. Now on the route there are lots of places to stop. Pubs, to go grab a drink, grab some lunch. There are also places we can pop out, and there are shops nearby to stock up on supplies. But most of the time it's just peace and quiet. And then at the end of the day we get to Ellesmere, where we decide to enjoy ourselves out at the front, some sundowners and some card games. great ending to a long day out on the canal. However, there's more to come next time. We explore the town of Ellesmere, we go visit the mere, before we then head back towards Chirk and we have a go at using the lock all by ourselves. Will it work? Please like and subscribe. Thank you for joining us.